Not only does this Army veteran have good health insurance, he actually has two different kinds. But that's what's complicated things in a big way.
Action 9 investigator Jason Stujenki says this could happen to any of our veterans. He has some important information tonight about what to do about it.
I was in an accident in February, 2 years ago.
So James Peace went to the doctor. He has two types of health insurance, VA benefits and Medicare. He knew the VA would pick up the whole tab.
You want them to just bill the VA and leave Medicare out of it.
Exactly.
But he didn't tell the doctor that, and the doctor billed Medicare first. It covered some of the bill, but not all. And the VA wouldn't pick up the rest because the VA doesn't act as a secondary payer.
Something that is so frustrating and nothing you can do.
Even worse, Peace says, he didn't even know there was a balance until he saw his credit report.
Why do I have bills? Why am I in collections? And why is it showing up on my credit report?
So he went ahead and paid the tab, $127, but the blemish stayed on his credit.
I mean, it was absolutely amazing what one collection does to your credit score. Over 35 points.
Really?
Yes.
From that $127 bill?
Yep. And that was whenever I emailed you guys and said, help. I need help. 24 hours later, it was fixed.
Action 9 emailed the provider, Atrium Health. It didn't respond to me directly, but Peace told me an Atrium executive called him the same day and helped clear up his credit report.
He was amazing. He apologized and explained to me the whole situation, what had happened, how it happened, and why it happened.
Now, I don't want you going through the same thing, obviously, so let me explain it to you. If you have both VA and Medicare, you can't use both because neither will be secondary to the other. So which one do you go ahead and use? Well, in general, if it's a VA facility or the VA referred you, you should start with the VA. The VA should pay the full tab. Otherwise, you'd start with Medicare. But the important lesson here you just heard is make sure you tell your provider which one to start with. Erica?